Time to take on another useless test in the emergency department, and this time it's going to be the urine drug screen. There are a number of reasons why the UDS is useless in the ED. We're going to hone in on just 3 of those. Number 1, the UDS is rife with false positives. The test is prone to cross-reactivity. For instance, a positive cannabinoid screen might mean that your patient's been smoking marijuana, might also mean that they took a PPI in the last couple days. A positive opiate screen can occur if the patient's been taking diphenhydramine, and a positive PCP screen could be ibuprofen. Number 2, the UDS is rife with false negatives. A negative screen is fairly useless because the test only looks for a handful of substances: cocaine, THC, amphetamines, benzodiazepines, non-synthetic opiates, and PCP. Designer drugs, synthetics like fentanyl, and most of the drugs that are available on the streets aren't going to trigger a UDS. In fact, the benzodiazepine screen doesn't even test positive if the patient has lorazepam in their system. Finally, number 3, the UDS is qualitative, not quantitative. It tells you nothing about the amount of drug in the patient's system, it doesn't distinguish between acute and chronic use, and it can't tell you when the patient last took the drug. Because of this, it can't tell you whether the patient's symptoms in front of you are due to that drug, even if it comes up positive on the UDS. All of this makes the test clinically useless in the emergency department, and it shouldn't be used to guide our clinical care.